Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to configure the camera and the microphone permissions in your Edge app on Android. Say suppose if you want to access the camera for a particular site on your Edge app, so you need to enable the camera permissions first. For that you can go to settings, and within the settings go to privacy and security, and within the privacy and security select the site settings, and within the site settings you have this option permission options where it is currently set to block. If I want to enable the camera permission, first of all you need to enable this toggle switch, and which will help in website to send a notification or the pop-up notification requesting for the camera permissions. And secondly, you have to enable the access for camera to Edge app. So for that you can tap on this Android settings tab, and here under the permissions see what all permissions currently the Edge app has. So right now the camera, contacts, microphone and all other options are disabled. So just select the camera, and within the camera you can choose ask every time, or you can choose allow while using this app. So once it is done, the camera will be accessed to the Edge app. And similarly you can also change it for microphone, and once you are done, just go back to your camera and microphone, and it will display the changes that you have made. So it's currently set to ask first, which means whenever a website is trying to access your camera, the device camera, it will ask you whether you want to permit it or not, and then you can permit it. So in this way you can configure the camera and as well as the microphone settings on your Edge app. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.